What if I told you that most travelers over 70 are unknowingly missing out on airline perks, discounts, and airport assistance that could save them hundreds of dollars or make flying dramatically easier? Because here's the truth. Airlines and airports rarely volunteer this information unless you specifically ask for it. And that means millions of seniors are struggling through airports, paying more than they should, and missing benefits they already qualify for. Today, we're covering 11 hidden airline benefits every traveler over 70 should know about before their next trip. Some of these can save you money. Others can save you stress, exhaustion, and frustration at the airport. And one of these benefits can even get you up to 55% off airfare. Let's start with the one almost nobody checks for: hidden senior airfare discounts. Most people assume airline ticket prices are the same for everyone, but certain airlines quietly offer reduced fares for older travelers, and they usually do not advertise them clearly online. Delta sometimes offers unpublished senior fares on select routes. United has offered discounts on certain international routes, especially flights to Latin America. And American Airlines has occasionally included senior pricing through advanced booking searches. But here's the important part. You usually will not find these deals on Expedia, Priceline, or third-party booking websites. You often have to book directly through the airline. Or call customer service and specifically ask if a senior fare is available. That one simple question could potentially save you hundreds on a round-trip ticket. Now, this next one is one of the biggest airline discounts seniors can get. And most travelers have never even heard of it. Frontier Airlines occasionally runs a promotion called 55 for 55. And during these promotions, travelers aged 55 and older can receive up to 55% off base fares. That is an enormous discount in today's travel market. Now there are limitations. The promotion is not available year-round. There can be blackout dates, and taxes and fees still apply. But if your travel dates are flexible, this can lead to unbelievably cheap flights. The key is watching for the promotion and booking quickly before the seats disappear. Now, this next benefit shocked a lot of travelers when they first learned about it. If you are 75 years old or older, TSA actually allows easier screening procedures at airport security. And most seniors are never told this directly. Depending on the situation, you may be allowed to keep your shoes on. You may also be allowed to keep light jackets on while going through screening. And if additional screening is needed, you can request accommodations like remaining seated during inspections. This can make a massive difference for seniors dealing with mobility issues, balance problems, or physical discomfort. But TSA officers usually will not announce these options publicly. You need to politely ask. And speaking of airport security, this next benefit may be the most underrated service available for older travelers flying alone. It's called TSA Cares, and it is completely free. If airports feel stressful, confusing, crowded, or overwhelming, you can contact TSA Cares before your flight and request personal assistance through the screening process. A trained support specialist can help guide you through security step by step. This is especially valuable for seniors traveling alone, or anyone with medical conditions, mobility limitations, memory concerns, or anxiety about flying. And the crazy part is, Most people have never even heard this service exists. Now let's talk about one of the most physically exhausting parts of travel for older adults: walking through giant airports. Some airports require passengers to walk incredible distances between security, terminals, and gates. And many seniors push themselves far harder than they should. But airlines are legally required to provide free wheelchair and escort assistance. That means an airline employee can escort you from curbside check-in, through security, all the way to your gate, and when you land, they can help you get from the aircraft to baggage claim as well. Here's the important part. You do not need to use a wheelchair at home to request this service. If long airport walks are physically difficult or exhausting for you, you absolutely qualify to ask for help. Now this next benefit is simple, but it can make boarding a plane dramatically less stressful. Priority pre-boarding. If you need extra time getting onto the aircraft, whether due to balance, mobility, fatigue, or simply moving slower than the crowd, you can request early boarding before general passengers rush onto the plane. This allows you to settle in comfortably, store your carry-on without pressure, and avoid the chaos that often happens during normal boarding. Many seniors assume this is only for visibly disabled passengers. It is not. If you need extra time, you can ask for it. Now this next one can quietly save seniors money on every single trip. Medical and mobility devices fly free on US airlines. That includes items like CPAP machines, walkers, canes, wheelchairs, and approved portable oxygen concentrators. These items do not count against your baggage allowance. And many travelers do not realize that. Some seniors unnecessarily pay checked bag fees or avoid bringing equipment they genuinely need because they think it will cost extra. It usually will not. Just notify the airline ahead of time if special battery equipment is involved. And while we're talking about medical needs, this next TSA rule is incredibly important. Liquid medications are allowed through security in quantities larger than the normal 3.4-ounce limit. That means medically necessary liquids, gels, medications, and supplies can legally go through TSA, as long as you declare them during screening. You can also travel with syringes, insulin supplies, and medically necessary food items. But again, many travelers never realize these exemptions exist. Now here's another benefit airline staff usually won't offer unless you ask directly. Help with your carry-on bags. If lifting luggage into the overhead bin is difficult, airline staff are required to assist passengers with mobility limitations. This can prevent injuries, shoulder strain, and unnecessary stress while boarding. Too many seniors struggle in silence because they feel embarrassed asking for help. Don't. That assistance exists for a reason. And finally, here's one small comfort upgrade many older travelers completely overlook. Some airport lounges offer discounted entry for seniors. Now, not every lounge does this, but certain lounge operators occasionally provide reduced pricing for older travelers who book online in advance. And if you have a long layover, that quieter environment can make an enormous difference. Comfortable seating, cleaner restroom, free snacks and drinks, less noise and stress. Sometimes that peace and comfort is worth every penny. So here's the bottom line. These airline benefits already exist. The problem is, most seniors are never told about them. And because they don't ask, they end up paying more, walking farther, and dealing with more stress than necessary. But now you know. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with another traveler who should know these benefits before their next trip. And let us know in the comments. Which one surprised you the most? Thanks for watching, and safe travels.